Hi, and thanks for joining me. My name's Spencer, and today I'm going to be helping you get familiar with Microsoft OneDrive. First, let's start off with what is OneDrive. Well, it's the new home for all your files. It's available on Android, iOS, Mac, and of course, PC. It allows for the easy storage, synchronization, and sharing of all your files. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is open up a web browser and go to https://portal.office.com. Next, type in your credentials and press enter. You may or may not be set up with a two-factor authentication system on your Microsoft account. In this case, we're using Duo for our two-factor authentication. Once you've finished, you'll be greeted with a Microsoft homepage. You'll see things like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more, but today we're just going to be sticking to OneDrive. Alright, now click on the OneDrive icon, and if this is your first time, you may be prompted with a short introduction. Step through these slides, or if you'd like, you can press skip. Now we can begin creating documents in the cloud, or we can begin uploading them from your local device. There are two ways of doing this. The first being with the upload button at the top left of the menu bar, or the second method is dragging and dropping it straight out of your file explorer. While this is very convenient, it's not meant for hundreds or thousands of files, but rather a few at a time. Next, let's review syncing your OneDrive through your file explorer. We're going to be doing this on Windows. Open up your file explorer and navigate to the OneDrive icon. You should see your company's name right beside the OneDrive icon. If you don't, no worries, it's very easy to set up and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, open up File Explorer and find that OneDrive icon. Once you click it, you'll be greeted with the Microsoft Setup page. Enter your credentials and press Sign In. Next, you'll be asked for your password. Enter that as well. Again, we are greeted with a two-factor authentication. I'll now accept the notification on my phone confirming that it's actually me that's trying to access my OneDrive. Great, we've signed in. Down here is where your OneDrive folder is located on your local machine. There are three different classes of files within OneDrive: online only, on this device, and always available. For more information on choosing the right class for you, or anything else that is not covered in this video, refer to the guide attached in the description down below. For the time being, we're going to skip setting up a mobile device. We can do that later. Now let's open up OneDrive through our File Explorer. As you can see, all the files that we uploaded previously via the OneDrive web portal are now synced to our local machine automatically. If not, you can go back to the web portal and press the sync button to initiate a manual sync of your files. If there's an issue with syncing, you will see a red X in the status column of the affected files. There are a few different reasons why your files may not be syncing properly. Be sure to check out the documentation below for more details. So far, we've taken a look at how to store and sync your files. Now let's take a look at how to share them. Sending links is the easiest way to securely share your files in the cloud. Generating links looks almost identical in every platform, whether it be on the web, through File Explorer, or on any of the applications such as Outlook or even mobile devices. Right-click on any file in OneDrive and you'll see the option to share. Before proceeding, click to expand the permission choices that you have. Select from one of the four options, those being anyone with the link, people in your organization, people with existing access, or specific people. You can confidently share files, giving only the levels of access you feel comfortable with for each individual, giving you total peace of mind and security for all your documents. After making your selections, you can enter an email address and add an optional message, then press send. Here's an example of what the recipient would see. There's also the option to copy the link, then paste it anywhere you'd like, whether Outlook, Teams, or even social media. Well, that about wraps things up for this video covering the basics of Microsoft OneDrive. On behalf of myself and everyone else here at XBASE, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Also check out our website, www.xbase.com, for regular blog posts and free ebooks pertaining to the rapidly changing world of IT.